On Wednesday, a delegation of BJP leaders met Governor Arif Mohammad Khan at Raj Bhavan. They submitted a memorandum alleging a political witch hunt against BJP leaders by Kerala government. The trigger was a highway robbery reported in Thrissur-Skodakara bypass where an SUV was stolen. While initially the complaint was only of 25 lakh rupees missing, police later found out that there was 3.5 crore rupee cash in the stolen car, what they call is Hawala money. Incidentally, this incident took place just 3 days before Kerala went to polls, and complainant Dharmarajan and Sunil Naik's alleged connections to the BJP has led to rival parties indicate that the money was being used for elections. Around June 7th, several BJP leaders made rounds at Thrissur police station. They were all being questioned in connection with the case.
A memorandum before the Honorable Governor of Kerala requesting him to intervene the recent developments in Kerala. The CPM and the government, state government wants to malign the name of Bharatiya Janata Party. They want to take custody of all leaders and thereby they want to crush the activities of Bharatiya Janata Party in Kerala.
Few days back, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan informed the State Assembly that out of 3.5 crore rupees stolen, 347 grams of gold jewellery, mobile phones, watches, along with 1.2 crore rupees were recovered, and 21 people have been arrested. Pinarayi Vijayan has also stated that ED officials have also been kept in the loop as the case involves Hawala and money laundering angle. But with the FIR directly naming Kerala BJP Chief K. Surendran, the BJP is feeling the heat of Kerala police. There are allegations that BJP State Chief wanted to bribe rival candidates. K. Surendran is currently camping in New Delhi to meet party president JP Nadda, and his son could be questioned over certain call data records.
ഒരർത്ഥത്തിൽ ബിജെപിക്കെതിരെ പിണറായി സർക്കാർ അപ്രഖ്യാപിത അടിയന്തരാവസ്ഥയാണ് നടപ്പാക്കുന്നത്. സ്വർണ്ണക്കടത്ത് ഹവാല കേസുകളിൽ BJP നേതൃത്വം നൽകുന്ന കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാരിൻ്റെ ഏജൻസികൾ നടത്തിയ അന്വേഷണത്തിൽ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയും മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ ഓഫീസും മന്ത്രിമാരും സ്പീക്കറും ഉൾപ്പെടെയുള്ള ആളുകൾ പ്രതിപട്ടികയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുമോ എന്ന സംശയമാണ് ഇത്തരമൊരു പ്രതികാര രാഷ്ട്രീയം BJPയോട് സ്വീകരിക്കാൻ കാരണം.
But here's the catch. BJP has also alleged that most of those arrested in the case are associated with the CPM and the CPI. A 2-month-old highway robbery has triggered a massive political controversy in the state of Kerala, and with each passing day, the fight is only getting bigger. Bureau Report, Republic TV.